Hello everyone, today we'll see how to charge a lithium ion battery. So let's get started. So first I'll show you the components. So I have a TP4056 module and this is a breadboard, and we have a battery connector or battery holder. Then I have this lithium ion cell 18650. Okay, so and this is the TP406 module, and I have some jumper wires and a LED and a resistor, so that will connect and see the output from our battery. So please like and subscribe to this channel and put your comments for more videos. So I'll connect a bird strip to the TP406 module so that it is easily connected to a breadboard. So you can also directly solder wires to these points, and then you can connect it directly to the battery holder of lithium ion cell, or also you can connect you can solder the wires directly to the lithium ion cell. So let me solder it this bar strip in the TP lithium ion cell. So before that, let us take the voltage reading from the battery. Okay, so I'm using a multimeter, so put it to 20 volts and then you can measure it. Okay, so I'm putting it to 20 volts and then I'm measuring it. So the voltage is around 3.8 volt. So when it is fully charged, it will be above 4 volts. Okay, and this voltage is controlled by this lithium ion charger module. So this is a very nice module which can control the voltage for the safety of the lithium ion charger or lithium ion cell. Okay, so I have connected the bird strip and I have soldered it. So let me put it on the breadboard. So I'm using a breadboard for demonstration, so it is easier to demonstrate circuit and test various functionalities. So you can use a breadboard, but for creating appliances you can directly solder the wires and put it in a container or case. Okay, so I am putting the battery positive and battery negative based on the circuit diagram and the breadboard or the connections. Okay, so let me make the connection. Okay, so I'm putting. Okay, so please like and subscribe. Okay, so the connection of the cell is ready. So now I'll connect USB type C charger. Okay, so let me connect it, and once I power it from the AC, so it will supply 5 volt 2 ampere, and with this we can charge this battery. Okay, so once you switch it on, the red light in the board or TP module will glow. Okay, so that's the indicator how you can show the charge is going on. Okay, so now I'll connect a LED with a resistor and see the output from the lithium ion cell. So let me put it on the breadboard. So for a LED, we have negative and positive terminals, so let me put it like that, and you have to make the connections based on that positive and negative to the battery. Okay, so I'm connecting a resistor. This is for voltage drop. Okay, so that the LED is not damaged. For that we are using the resistor. So let me connect with the jumper wires. So I'm putting the jumper wires, and then the other ends of the jumper wire I will connect it to the out negative and out positive. As you can see in the TP406 module, it's mentioned. So you can solder it in a real circuit, and you can use it in a gadget. Okay, so once you connect it, you see the LED is powered on. Okay, so at this moment the battery is not fully charged, so you have to keep it for some time, maybe an hour or two, to get it fully charged. Okay, so let me disconnect it and then put it this module for charging. Okay, so it's getting charged. So before that I'll also take a reading now, and when it is fully charged we'll also take a reading that time. Okay, So since it is charged, so let me switch it off and take the reading. Okay, so here it is around 3.9 volt. Okay, so I will put it in charge for some time. Okay, now it is fully charged, so let me switch it on. You see the blue light will blink when it is fully charged. So after that, like, I will now measure the voltage again with the multimeter. So you have to keep this voltmeter ready. So you can also not have it, but yeah, this is very useful for debugging circuit or measuring the voltages. Okay, so now when I measure it, see the voltage is around 4.9 or 4.8. okay, so it is fully charged. Okay, so this way you can recharge a lithium ion cell safely. Okay, so please like and subscribe to this channel and put your comments so that we can make more videos. So thank you for watching.